Hey everybody, so it's been a little bit since I made a video. Just wanted to show you quickly what's going on here, what I've been working on, the equipment I've been learning, and some new separation processes that I've been working on also for that vermiculite schist that I found up in Wyoming. So run through quickly here. Some of these I'm just trying to perfect here, but some new settings. I'm really working hard on these 1-inch diameter pieces here in sterling. There's blue tiger eye, lace agates, ruby kyanite. So this one also I just finished. Nice banded agate cuff bracelet. And this one I'm working on, same setting. And it is Amazonite and smoky quartz. I can get it to focus. There we go. And so moving on, one of the main things I've been working on is trying to develop a way to separate the ruby while keeping the beautiful blue kyanite out of that schist that I found. And it's a bit of a process. With different hardnesses, typically you're going to destroy that kyanite. So I'm working on it. I think I've figured out a way to do it. I'm working with my buddy as well, so we'll see how it goes. Also some other pieces here, nice honey agates, and I've been polishing these on the Vibe Lap, and they're turning out excellent. So we'll keep working on these. Bit of a process, but it is fun to watch them turn into something nice. So quickly, just wanted to show you guys something. It's been a little bit. Thank you all again for all your support, and hopefully you see some of these nice pieces soon. All right.